with Michael. He loved the M&M. Wow, M&M for... Be, pinicture na kita, be. Be, tingin ka sa akin. Micah. Wow, ganda. Kaya na. No, because they have parade. You know, ibig sabihin na parade. Oh, you're gonna walk, no worry. Because they're going to bicycle or road. Oh, see? See? Too many cars today because they're having vacation today. We're going to M&M. Show to them inside. Okay? Come now, we're roaming around here. The M&M, yay! You want to buy? Come now, we'll buy chocolates. M&M, M&M, M&M. See, too many people here in M&M with Michael, yay! See? M&M, M&M. See? Very nice, right? Good? Good? Are you happy? Stand up here. I will take a picture. Look, look. Come na. Good job, Michael. Oh, there's a pillow also. Oh, M&M. Pillow, oh, look. Pillow, oh. Wow, you like it? Very nice. See? You want to go to escalator? You want to go to... No need. You stay in the down there. How can you enjoy the escalator there out? Up? You want to go to escalator? We go to escalator. Come on. Because Lula is there. Oh, come on. Lula, Mommy is there. It's okay. It's okay. What happened? You're not paying attention. I'm here. It's just normal. It's okay. We're going to M&M here. See? This is so biggest M&M in the world. Okay? Mega biggest to Mecca, oh. Kanina ko pa siya picturean di sa baba. May mag-picture din kayo din, Bide. Ni Mami, kasi Daddy, para meron silang remembrance ba? Doon sana sa baba yung giant. Oh, yan, Michael. Wow, celebrate together with M&M. Oh, be. Si Daddy, saan si Daddy? Oh, you go there inside, you go there inside. Yeah. Oh, Michael naman. Oh. Wow. Paunahan mo na, be. Be, kayo na. Go there na. Ay, nauna siya, Mami. Nauna siya. Go there na, kayo na lang. One, two, three. Another one. 1, 2, 3. Okay.